Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a real-time dashboard with help of FastAPI and HTMX and server-side events. But that matter to you, right? You might see a lot of real-time dashboards which gonna have a IoT device data. But today I'm gonna show you no need to write hundreds of lines of the code. All you need to write few lines of the code and build a real-time dashboard, and that gonna be doesn't require a kind of a huge front end needs to be created for that. And imagine, right? So you have a bunch of IoT devices or sensor data, and it's keep on loading and refreshing into your dashboard, and it's gonna generating a lot of events, especially the one which I built it right for temperature specific one, and the moment it goes and it goes critical, it's gonna throw me the alerting ones and have been segregated with critical, warning, and normal to send a notification to it. But I'll write everything into the few lines of the code, right? So you have to build the fast API, and the logic is gonna be as pretty simple. It should be scalable for me, and it should be work perfectly fine for the real-time workflows. And fast APIs are very good in terms of the getting the real-time data intervals. You need to write a very tiny bit of the code and very little handful lines of the code, and it works amazing fine. So what I've done is like I've created a fast API, and it started a template. It started the data and SSE data. I've created a server-side data generation, create it automatically, create the data for me. So I've done an installation of like SSE Starlet package, and it's required a few lines of the code to me to generate a real-time streaming data for a front end. No complex and nothing majorly I need to do it. So I have get this data, and it's generating the data and the sensors to read the data into the real time and done. So and HTMX, why it's been crazy thing here. So the reason is right. You if you write something into the Java and HTML, it's very complex in its nature, and that's the reason HTMX is like pretty smooth and lightweight with efficient one. So try with the HTMX update for your real-time dashboards. And what I've done into the creating the chatbot, I kind of like the chart ones for temperature and humidity trends. I've created with the help of like Chart.js is a real-time graphs style for the UI, and Tailwinds for DaisyUI. And with the help of like a few takes, you can able to build that to enter streams, right? It can be scalable for thousands or concurrent user at a time, and this is amazing to do it. I have created this entire real-time dashboard into my GitHub repositories. I hope you guys go and check it out, the one. And thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, haven't seen my earlier YouTube tutorials, I highly recommend you to go and subscribe them. Thanks for watching.